Hey, English learners. Welcome back to the Soft Speak English podcast, your calm place to learn English through real conversations. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake.
And we are really happy you're spending a little moment of your day with us again. Today's episode is very honest because it is about something almost everyone feels, but almost nobody admits.
Yeah, today we are talking about confidence, or more accurately, the moment you decide to be confident and your brain decides absolutely not.
That exact second when you understand everything perfectly in your mind, but your mouth refuses to cooperate.
I had that moment today. Actually, many moments today.
What happened?
I was walking back after work and I met someone I kind of know. Not a close friend, not a stranger, just the type of person you always say hello to.
The almost friend?
Exactly, the almost friend. We started walking in the same direction and they began talking about their day. I understood everything easily. Every sentence was clear in my head.
But you didn't answer.
Not immediately. My brain started preparing a perfect sentence. Not a normal sentence, a perfect sentence.
Dangerous idea.
Very dangerous. While they were talking, I was building my response word by word in my head. I was checking grammar, choosing vocabulary, arranging structure, and then suddenly the conversation moved on.
You missed the timing.
Yes, the moment passed, so I waited for the next chance. Another topic came. Again, I built a perfect sentence. Again, the moment passed.
So you understood everything, but said almost nothing.
Exactly. And the longer I stayed silent, the more pressure I felt. Because now if I speak, it has to be good.
So when did you finally speak?
Near the end of the walk, there was a small silence, not a comfortable silence, the type that asks you to say something. My brain quickly started building a big sentence again, and then I stopped myself.
Stopped the thinking.
Yes, I said the simplest thing possible. I think I had the same day. Not impressive, not advanced, but real.
And what happened?
They immediately smiled and started another conversation. Naturally, no confusion, no judgment, no problem. And in that moment, I realized something very strange.
What did you realize?
Confidence didn't come before speaking. Confidence came after speaking. All the fear existed only before the sentence. After the sentence, everything became normal.
So the problem was not language.
It was expectation. I was trying to sound smart instead of trying to connect. When I stopped performing and started communicating, speaking became easier.
I think many learners wait to feel ready before they talk. But ready is not a feeling you wait for. Ready is something you create after action.
Yes, we imagine confident people speak because they are confident, but actually they become confident because they speak.
And imperfect sentences are important because they break the fear barrier.
After that first sentence, my second sentence came naturally, and the third came without thinking at all.
So maybe confidence is not a personality. Maybe confidence is a small decision repeated many times.
Say one simple thing instead of one perfect thing.
Connection is more important than correctness.
And timing matters more than grammar.
Let's slow down and look at some useful expressions from today.
First phrase, miss the timing. It means the moment to speak passed.
Second, build a sentence in your head, preparing before speaking.
Third, pressure to perform. Feeling you must impress, not communicate.
Fourth, break the fear barrier, the first action that removes fear.
Fifth, sound smart versus connect, choosing impression or communication.
Sixth, simple but real, natural language instead of perfect language.
Seventh, after the sentence, everything became normal. Very important realization.
So today your goal is not to speak perfectly.
Your goal is to speak once.
Just one small sentence in a real moment.
And then notice nothing bad happens.
If you try it today, tell us in the comments, I said it.
We really read them, and we are quietly cheering for you.
This is Soft Speak English.